Hello, welcome to the world of speed cubing, and today I'm going to show you how to solve the Rubik's Cube. You don't have to do this fast, it's just if you want to learn how to do it, and there are going to be 4 steps. Each step is going to have 2 sub-steps, and if you get all of those, you'll be able to solve the Rubik's Cube. There are about 6 algorithms. I'd say there's 4 real big algorithms, then there's 2 smaller ones, and then there's a couple just 3 move things that you might call algorithms, you might not. Eventually, it'll all come naturally, though. So the first step is going to be to solve the white cross. A lot of people start with the white cross because it's easy to see and it's simple. You can really start on any side, but we're going to do the white cross because I think it's the easiest. So as you see, this is the white cross, and the cross consists of all of the white edges. Edges are the pieces that look like this. They have 2 colors on them. And the other types of pieces are corners. Those are obviously in the corners. And centers. Centers are in the center. And as you see, the centers, no matter how I turn this cube, the center will never move. So that means that this will always be the yellow side. This will always be the white side. Red, green, orange, and blue. The sides will never change. They will always be the same. So once you get better at cubing, you'll recognize that orange is always opposite red and stuff like that. But for now, just know that the centers never move, and so this is the white side. So you could figure out how to solve the white cross on your own, but if you need a little help, this is how we're going to do it. Alright, so grab your Rubik's Cube. Maybe it's scrambled or not. If it's not scrambled, maybe you want to watch this video first before you scramble it, or maybe watch this entire series so you know how to solve it, or maybe you just go ahead and scramble it right now. So to solve the cross, what we're going to do is we're going to make what's called the daisy. And so opposite the white side is the yellow side. And so what we're going to do is we're going to make a cross on the other side, and it's going to look like this. All the white pieces, all the white edges are going to be around the yellow center. And so to do that, we're going to find the 4 white edges. And you can tell they're white edges because they're edge pieces, like this, and they have white on them. So here's one, here's one, here's one, and where's the last one? And right there, there's one. So there's 4 of them, and now that you have those, we're going to put those all in the top surrounding this center. So first of all, the easiest way to put them on the top is to first move into this middle layer. So this orange one, the edge is in the right place, but it's just oriented wrong because white's not facing up as it should be. So we want to move this piece into the equator or the center. And so you can do that either by turning it this way, which is a front move, or turning it this way with a front prime move, and that will move it out of the top and into the left or the right. So now that's in this middle layer, we can move it up to the top with one move, in this case, like that. So it's facing that. I'm not going to go into much detail how to do that. I think that's something you should figure out on your own because that's pretty easy to learn on your own, and also it's much more satisfying learning stuff on your own. Next, this blue one is already on the bottom, but we're going to put it on the top by, if it's facing the bottom, then we can move it to the middle layer by either doing that or that. So now it's in the middle. And then now it's in the middle, we can once again move it to the top. And then another trick is if it's the white's facing down, straight down, you could simply do a 2 move, in this case R2, to move it right to the top. But when I did that, it knocked the green piece out of the way. You don't want to do that, so instead move it so this space is clear. So when you move the green piece up, it doesn't knock away any of the other centers. Next, what you want to do is align the white edge with its color and its center. So this white edge other color is orange. So we're going to align this with its center right here. And what that does is it matches up these two. So this edge has to be with this center. So now that you've done that with one of the edges, you can do an F2 move or just turn it twice so it's facing the bottom. And what that'll do is that'll put the edge in the right spot between the 2 centers it needs to be between. So if we continue doing that, green one, we can match up with its green center and then simply put it on the bottom. Blue, blue center is right here, so to the bottom like that. And red is already aligned, so red can go in the bottom like that. That's the first step. That's the white cross. All right, so practice that. Hopefully you'll get it pretty fast, and step 2 will be soon.